Cat fans, we're here at the Off-Road Expo with John from Airbeds and Pittman Outdoors. So let's see what we have.
Hey guys, my name is John Pittman. I'm with Pittman Outdoors, and we manufacture tents for rooftop tents for your vehicles. We also make airbeds for the back of your pickup trucks. This is one of our hard shell rooftop tents that we have, and it's sitting on top of a Sequoia right now. But you can put it on top of any type of vehicle you want. If you'll notice, you'll scan around. We have the Jeep Grand Cherokee. We have one on a Nissan Altima, and then we also have one on the Silverado truck, the Ford truck. And we do both hard shell and soft shell tents. Prices range from $14.99 all the way up to $37.99, depending on what size of tent you want. 1 to 2 person, 2 to 3 person, or 3 to 4 person tent.
And I have an understanding that there's a memory foam on these beds?
There is. Inside the tents, they come with a memory foam mattress already installed, included into the tent.
Okay.
There, that one. And then we have, look at the other one over here. Go inside this one. This is going to be our soft top tent. It sleeps 3 to 4, and this one has the memory foam mattress in it also. Which you can see, very thick, very comfortable mattress to sleep on.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. It's very comfortable. So you guys have tents of all sizes, right?
All sizes. And they'll fit on top of any type of roof rack that you want to put on top of your vehicle. And then we'll move over to our airbeds, which is what started Airbeds, is our company.
Right.
It comes with very heavy duty, durable fabric. It comes with a built-in pump, so you can inflate it or deflate it. It fits over and around your wheel wells, so it has wheel well cutouts, so it utilizes the entire truck bed.
I see.
Okay.
And is this battery operated, or do you have to connect?
It has a retractable, rechargeable battery.
Oh, I see.
The only kind, one of a kind on the market. No one else has this available. You just push it back in, close the door, flip it on. From the bag that it goes in, once it's out of the box, it takes 2.5 minutes to 2.5 to 3.5 minutes to air up one of these beds.
I see. But you don't have to be pumping or anything like that. Does it all by itself?
Does it all by itself. Very comfortable to sleep on. Very heavy duty.
No, that's something special.
Very special.
Where can we find you guys?
Many different websites carry our products. You can get it from us, from Pittman Outdoors, online on our website. You can get us on Amazon, Costco, and a few other places.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Miguel. Appreciate your time.